Hello everyone, so this is the website for Mooded.io, and on top we have the navigational bar, which includes a sign up option. If you don't have a username and password, you can either do that or you can click here on the don't have an account, and it will lead you to this page, which you can input your email address, first name, last name, username and password, and then sign up. Other than that, you can just sign in directly if you do have a username and password. So for example here, I will enter my username and password, and this is the dashboard that is going to be displayed, and this contains in the center your detected mood, which here happens to be sad, and as you can see there's a little animation here once you hover over the mood. Here we have 4 panels. The first panel is the atmosphere and the date and location. So here we have the date, which is retrieved in real time, with the location where you're at and the room temperature, along with the weather and the city. In the second panel, you have the music selection, which you can vary through the customize tab over here. If we click here, it will display a welcoming message, and you can select the mood to music preferences. So for each mood, happy, sad and angry, you can select any of the following genres to play when the detected mood is detected. After you are done with selecting your mood to music preferences, you can go back to the home dashboard, and it will be updated accordingly. One thing here is that the room temperature will change depending on your mood. It will get, for example, if you are sad, it will get a bit warmer, etc. So it will regulate according to your mood. The third panel we have is the light intensity, and again it will measure the light intensity of you can control light intensity of the room depending on your mood again. So as you can see, this shows us a description of what the light intensity looks like through this bulb over here, and this will be reflected in real life in your house. And finally we have the messages panel, and you can automatically get motivational quotes, or depending on what mood you are in, by just simply clicking on get quote. The man on top of the mountain did not fall there, etc, etc. And this is just for displaying purposes. This is what the happy mood would look like, and this is what the angry mood would look like. And this concludes the explanation of the dashboard, and finally you can just log out from the navigational bar as well. Thank you for watching.
So this is the Watch app, and if we click on the app icon, it's going to take us to a launcher page. Now in this launcher page, it displays a greeting with the user's name, a smiley icon which depicts the user's mood, and a motivational message for the user. Now if you click on the app icon and on the smiley icon, you are taken to a dashboard which displays another motivational message as the header, the user's current mood in picture and in text, a measure mood option, and if you click on this measure mood, it takes a reading of the user's heart rate, and it extracts the mood from the heart rate. As you can see, the detected mood is sad, and it also asks if this reading is accurate. If not, the user can press on the cross button, and if it is accurate, the user can press on the check. Now the user can also go to the settings option if he or she wants to configure some preferences in the app. Now going back to the launcher, if we rotate the bezel or if we swipe right, we are taken to the music player page, which allows the user to play music from the watch. Now at random intervals, the watch app will ask the user if this song currently playing suits the user's mood. So you can dismiss this message by clicking on the check, and it reveals the playlist name. If we click on the playlist name, it's going to take us to a page displaying other playlists that are suited for the user's current mode. And that's it for the watch app.